So the C major, place your number 3 finger on the 5th string, and the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3. 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th string, number 3 finger. Then number 2 finger on the string below it, that's the number 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th string, 2nd fret. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So your number 3rd finger at the 5th string, that is the A string. It's called the A string. Then number 2 finger at the D string, 2nd fret. So you have this here, 3, number 2. Number 1 finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So you have this 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. So the play from this is your root note, C, down. So while holding your chords, remember how to hold chord from here or be squeezed from here. Try to free your fingers, like let it look as if it's curved, kind of. You have C. So be relaxed, play, leave it for a while, free your fingers, and play again. Thank you.